Is this working? Oh my god, it is. Oh, I didn't set the thumbnail. Fuck, we gotta set the thumbnail. Super important. Set the thumbnail. It's highly important. Aww. Not myself, I should actually just go in. Right, come on. There we go. I put the correct thumbnail. I don't know if this is a good category, science and tech. That's fine. Nobody's gonna really watch anyways. I'm just here to test. I am just here to test. Like, first of all, I need to show that I'm streaming in the first place. Is it even possible? I think you have to enable streamer mode, right? And then you have to add. Oh my god. Never mind, don't do streamer mode. Jesus. I make games. Crazy. Voxel games are my favorite. There should be a way to add on Discord, like, you know, there we go, add accounts, and then just add YouTube. Just sign in, Jesus Christ. Goal is to not leak my passwords on stream. Let's do that. It's the goal. Doesn't mean it will happen. Yeah, luckily there won't be anyone here, which is good. If one of my friends somehow found this stream, I'd be shocked. Because they won't. That's my goal. Uh-oh. What is this? It's not connecting. Whatever. Well, that's pretending to work. I guess I'll just open up Visual Studio. Code, which I have here. Oh, so I need to figure out Tokyo. So I guess I should just start cargo at Tokyo. And then I should also look up the documentation for Tokyo. Godot-Rust. Get started. Oh, it says I should use Rayon if the only thing your application does is run computation in parallel. See, that's what I'm not sure about. What's Rayon? I haven't actually used Rayon. I mean, surely I can just mix and match this. There's some parallel stuff I want to do with multi-threading. No, like thread pools. Okay, Discord is failing to connect my YouTube account. I'm just giving up on that. It just clearly is not gonna happen. I wanted to like connect my accounts, and maybe it's just not allowed. Either that or it's just bugs. Or maybe it's because I'm currently streaming, I don't know. Well, Rayon seems cool, but we're in Tokyo land. Set up. Oh my god. No. It wants me to do Redis stuff. I don't want to do Redis stuff. Tokyo name. Here's what we should do. So first, the first thing we should do is, okay, so let's say we have like 5 tasks, right? We want to run all 5 concurrently, and they're each going to take like, I don't know, like 3 seconds separately. If we can run all 5 at the same time rather than sequentially, then we're good. We have beaten the game. If we can't, then we've lost the game. That is going to be our goal. Yeah, YouTube, my YouTube account just doesn't work. So whoever joins. Realistically, it'll be 0. It will be 0 indeed. So, okay, cool. Then let's we're gonna put this under, I don't know, a temp, because we're not really doing much. And I'm gonna call this async test.rs. In here, we're gonna have struct async boy, and then we're gonna have an implementation for async boy. So then we do async let's see how it actually declare async Rust. Here's what we can do. Here's what you do. You don't actually need to learn to program, you see. You just go to Gemma. That's not, I'm kidding. And then you ask, create me an async Rust function that does work for 3 seconds and then stops. do work for 3 seconds. So then we do fn do work. And then, you know, what you can do, you can just give it a, I don't know, U32 duration. You can do it like that. Tokyo, it already knows. Tokyo, time, sleep, duration, from sec, duration, wait. We did a work for duration. Cool. Async. Run 5 of these at the same time now, concurrently. So the way you do it is apparently you need async fn main. Now here's a problem. Do I have something like that? Oh no. Join all, what the fuck is that? Oh, I need the futures to create. Cargo add futures. Cool, now I have it, just like that. Now I'm going to send this stream to Dylan. Wow. Why did the music stop? It's because I turned it off, that's crazy. Cool, I'm just gonna send this to Dylan. No, where's my VIN cord? There we go. Boom. If you want to hear me yap for like an hour or two about async, then I'll do womp. Improve stream quality and all that stuff as I go. And then we'll also send it to Boom. There you go. We got the people. All right, so now let's do what I said I'm gonna do. You know what? I wonder. Can I just return a bunch of futures? Can I just do fn future maker like this, and then I return a vector of future? I don't know what was, no, a vec of, what is the type of, yeah, I'm asking the good old Jiminy. No, you're confusing the question. You made a let mute task equal to vec. What is the type of vec in this context? Whoa, join handle? The fuck is this type? So, like this then? And then what we can do is let mute task equals back womp, and then for in 0 to 5 task stop push Tokyo spawn do work, and then the duration we're gonna do work for like 2 seconds or 3 seconds, and then return tasks cargo build. Oh my god, it's increasing. I used to have like 50 cargoes and now it's like fucking 70. Okay, so we have async boy now. Async boy. Now let's make this a function public struct pub, I guess. I don't know, I don't even need a struct. But I'm assuming I can't just implement something that doesn't exist. Pub mod async types. So now the real question is, how do I do the Tokyo runtime in Godot-Rust? That is going to be my challenge. Let's ask Gemini. How would I do hashtag Tokyo main to do a Tokyo runtime in Godot-Rust? I don't think it's gonna. You can just keep asynchronous behavior using Godot's native thread pool. Oh, I thought Tokyo was supposed to do all of this. Jesus fucking Christ. Yeah, I don't know what you're doing. Create a new native class driver. Spawning asynchronousness. Oh my god. They are... Oh! Oh, I see. Async of Tokyo runtime. Let's see, does this actually exist? Is there a GD extension async? GD extension async Rust. No, let's just look on cargo. Cargo Rust. Don't give me, no, don't introduce me. I want to actually look through the registry. I should just save this and then just cargo. Rust GD. We do Godot-Rust. Yeah, oh, there's quite a lot. EGUI, cool, that's not what I want. So all this is for GD native. That's cool. This is GD extension. Yeah, I don't think there's anything for setting up async, but here's the secret. If you want to actually learn something, what do I got? WinTab. Give me a second. The holy knowledge location is actually the holy knowledge base is actually Discord. That is the holy knowledge base. And then what you do is you look up Tokyo. Question. Sorry, your question was not answered. Nobody has answered this. I think, actually, let's go back to the Godot-Rust book. We should also save this under Godot-Rust book. There. And the reason why I save it like that is because when I could do Godot-Rust book. Nice. So it says, now if I look up, let's just look up async. Oh, there's nothing on async. Fuck. Tokyo? Fuck. We're fucked. That's fine, we will figure it out. We just need to run the Discord. Basically, I made an event loop that takes my main Godot object, which also owns the Tokyo runtime, and it's essentially a thread pool. The event loop makes a future when it spawns a thread, which holds the visual facing call. You want to spawn it on the Tokyo X, you're going to try receive on one-shot channel for the result of every frame. What the fuck? Damn Rust devs and their fucking message pipeline stuff. Tokyo runtime. Why did the underscore? What's this meaning? It's private? At the beginning at least, I wonder. Okay. Join. Now join's also a keyword. Okay, so when there's a new witch RC, creates the Tokyo runtime. It then on this fat stack of async code is buildable. What matters is that I have a Tokyo runtime here, like this. Pull. What is this interface thing? So they have underscore for like the inner, and then the actual functions like this. So I guess it's underscore if it's not a Godot function, and then no, yeah, no underscore if it's a Godot function, underscore otherwise. I mean, simple, I guess. Oh my god, there's another join. How many fucking layers? Client, oh well, it's the Twitch RRC thing. Okay, either way, let's start with the very basics, which is, I mean, we can do it here. I don't really want to. I feel like that's a big cancer, but that's fine. We start we start with our Tokyo runtime, inheriting from Tokyo. And here's my problem. The way they declare their entire thing is a bit different. It's private. Oh no. Oh. Shit. What do I need to change? Well, what they're doing doesn't work anymore, clearly. Or what if I just do runtime? I mean, to be fair, I'm not really... I might have to like add more to my cargo. Let me go check really quick. Cargo 20. It just goes features full, so I don't want to do that, but since I don't know what I'm doing, maybe I should. So then I do version equals that, features equals full, and then if I cargo build, I really should get a keybind to do this, but they scare me when they do that. Oh, wow. Doesn't work. My apologies, do work. Actually a game of whack-a-mole. STG time duration? Not sure. What is it from seconds? U64, sure. We can do that. I don't really mind. Oh. I am so corrupted. Because I just don't remember how to build. And then now the Tokyo runtime shit's working. Yeah, but then this isn't like gonna work. Because this is the default. So, like I could do this, and that's not gonna work. Wait, actually, here's what I can check. So we're currently using Godot. Oh, we don't know the version because it's like advanced in the future. We will just continue exploring the Discord. How about that? Someone will be there to knock some sense in us. Okay. I can't do this though. It's only last month too. It's just like GD native or something. Oh, I could check. Oh, page not found. So all I got is this which example. Is the person online? No. We gotta make a Tokyo runtime somehow. I mean, we could wrap this in another class, right? And then make a default for it, which is creating it. Back to the good old Discord. Yeah. Oh, there's another one. Tokyo thread communication. Sender, receiver. Yeah. On ready. Yep. Greater channels. New multi-thread enable all to build. So that's our runtime with runtime.spawn loop. Oh my god. That's infinity. But I guess it's async move, so it's not infinity. Match. Pong. What are they sending? They're sending strings. Well, because they're just trying to print. This is back and forth communication? Yeah, because now we're sending this back into whatever fucking SV. Yeah, that's how I was thinking. Okay, you need to keep RTO alive. Keeping the runtime in. Yeah, so this is correct. It just needs to keep keeping the runtime here doesn't work though. Oh no. Or maybe it does and I'm just dumb. Like if I save. Okay, but what if I do cargo build? And the funny thing is, this is all like very not long ago. Maybe it's because I have init here. Maybe I should just. Yeah, it is. Cool. And that means I need to implement init, which is like whatever, man. Okay, I don't know what's a cool runtime to make, to be honest. Builder. Tokyo. Builder. I mean, there's current thread, multi-thread. Oh my god. Let's do multi-thread because it sounds funny. Enable all. Sure. Whatever that is. I mean, we can ask. Alright. Okay, let's ask base. Base node 3D. So, cool. So let's ask ChatGPT, our favorite friend, what it does. I mean, sorry, Jiminy. Jiminy is our best friend. I made a Tokyo runtime using this builder. Boom. Can you explain to me the upsides and downsides for each function in this builder? Like, I don't know exactly what new multi-thread and enable all do. Oh, okay. You can customize the number of workers using the worker thread. Okay, so I'm just not gonna do multi-thread. We're gonna do new current thread. Sure. I am very thankful that someone put their code out here, because that means I can copy this, and it's gonna be great. Okay, and then we have a sender option. And specifically, we want to use sender from Tokyo for some reason. I don't know why. I don't really know what the difference is, but like, I'm not going to complain. Either. And then sender, none, receiver. Oh, I need the Discord up. What did I close it? Oh. Cool, so I'm ready. We're going to declare 2 channels. I think that makes sense. Okay. Because Tokyo's going to take... So I'm going to say SA mute RA. We'll do it like the same. Let's copy and paste how this person did it for now. And then just rename it into our style later. Because we need to make sure we actually... We want it to get something working so that then we can like toy with it. Boom. Cool. And then if I hit cargo build, we just not build. And then I need a function to actually run this. Because what should happen is we send a message. So the sender sends a message, this receives it, and then it sends it back into our receiver, and then we should receive it here, Pong. And the way we need to do... So we need to like run a function easily. We don't have a console yet. I really wish we did. I might just really quickly program that. Because it wasn't that hard to program on my last project. Ah, fuck it, let's do it. Well, first, let's actually run the project to see if it still runs. Probably will. Let's copy this. Getting a lot of errors about channels disconnecting. Game runs now. Okay, let's actually fix that. I'm not a fan of proceeding. So it says line 89. So I'm assuming it's talking about these channels. I mean, what do? Sender.drop? Or no? Like, how did they actually want me to handle this sender? Drop receiver? Cargo build. I mean, they already should drop by default, so it's not really going to make a difference. Yeah, same issue. It doesn't change anything. It's funny, we don't need the sender unless it's like here. Shouldn't matter. Oh, whoa. Oh. Okay. Technically these are like this. Oh. What's this all work? Whatever, just let's look up this error. Oh fuck. I just control-C'd my entire Godot. No, we don't have console, we have no life. I actually have like a bash file that all it does is just load the Godot. Because I can't live if I don't have my console. That tells me that I'm wrong and bad. I need... Close this. What the fuck is... Where's my music? There we go. My OBS studio is trolling me right now. Uh-oh. Oh no. It's on top of everything. Well, I guess I'll just research from my main monitor. Damn, it's just connected with Rust. Oh my god. Rust Tokyo. What if I should just use the multi-threaded? I'll do it just in case, but I seriously doubt just changing it to multi-threaded is gonna fix them. Oh, it is already. Huh. I wanted to do new current thread instead. Yeah, still an issue. Channels disconnected. The Discord might have more information on that. Oh my god. Please. Oh, wait. I did do that, right? Ooh, wait. I need to do... Yeah. This is why I need to do self.rt. Here we go. Oh, why is this not working? Oh, no runtime. Self.runtime. That's what I was doing wrong. I didn't actually have it beyond. Oh, still a problem. Why? Oh, did I cargo build? I probably did it in there. Oh. God damn it. It is a bit hard to remember to cargo build. Fuck. Oh, then what I need is so it's pissed that it's being dropped here. Even though this should just be a beautiful reference. Why does it fucking care? Seriously. It's a reference, it's not like it's the actual channel. Like, calm the fuck down. So they're saying if you need a bounded channel, you should use a bounded direction occasions, calling extended series. You need blocking extended and blocking recessive. So that's the first thing they were saying that was wrong about that code. Okay, so let's try that, I guess. So I need, Jesus. My OBS is a virus, man. It's just stuck, intimidating my screen. Oh, I can move it now. Sweet. So it's saying I should do blocking receive. Isn't that bad though? I don't really want to block. The only problem is, wouldn't this freeze the game? Pretty sure this would freeze the game if I did this. So. Okay, wait, can I do like try? No. Like, I do this. Okay, some message. None. I don't know, cry. Nothing. If something happens, something happens. What is this fucking... Sure. I think it's also me to do this. Does this really matter? What the fuck is gonna happen here? Print line of the book. Nothing should be reaching. Okay. Okay. So what we want here is got. Fuck. What is this music? Where's my Vim keybinds? And then it says blocking send is what I need to do now. Nothing. Okay, and now if I run cargo build, I really need to do my mouse links. Else I do have this. Boom. It's gonna freeze. Yeah, it's frozen. It's fucking waiting. Yeah. Either way, I'm not. Is it? Oh my god, help, I'm stuck. No, my cursor's gone. It's over for me. The only way to escape is H-top. So what you do is you do boom, console. No, B-top is a cool one. And then we have to kill the right Godot. Probably this one that's taking 1.2. Here's my bet, it's this one. Go. If we're correct, we get a cursor back. We are incorrect. We do not get a cursor back. Go. There we go. Now we get a cursor back. That's dangerous code. I like how the code did exactly what I said it would do, which is fucking freeze. It's almost like I've written such code a billion times. No, we're gonna keep B-top here, just in case. Wait, did I fucking... Where's my... Give me a second. Where's my console? I don't know. Okay, so this code is cringe. We need to go back. We need to go back. Full? I'm getting a different error now. Full. Full of what? Full of shit? Why is my code full of shit? Full. Full. What the fuck? Where is it full? It's full in 87. We're not even sending anything. Oh, you know what? We still need to... Oh yeah, I don't know. We're not even sending anything yet. Like, why are you fucking being a bitch when I haven't even sent anything to you? Oh wait, this is... Oh shit. I don't need to do this line of code. We already have a Tokyo thread. Maybe that's the problem. We don't need multiple Tokyo threads. Like, maybe I shouldn't just create a Tokyo runtime. Yeah, that doesn't change anything. We're still full. Full of shit. It's funny because I haven't even gotten to actually making code. This is just... All I'm doing is just copy and pasting from someone else and just trying to figure out what the fuck I'm doing. I think what it... This is what I get for reading broken code, because I'm not reading code that's working. I'm reading code that's broken. Read. They tell me to read. As such, when all sender handles have been dropped, it's no longer possible to send values to the channel. If the receiver handle is dropped, then the message can no longer be read out of the channel. When the receiver is dropped. Instead of calling the async send, I wish I had an example of this. Can I just have an example of this? What if I just copy and paste this? Can I have an example code for this documentation talk about communicating from async to sync code and vice versa using two sets of channels? Boom, boom, boom. How would our... Where's the sync? I don't mind if the send is synchronous, right? Whatever, that's short. But what I do mind is if the receive is like synchronous. Let's ask it. Where is the code for the main listening for async? This only seem. Oh no. Here's what we can do next, right? Obviously, what we gotta do is we copy and paste to this, and then we ask it how to fix it. Listen, I'm totally a developer here. I'm totally a developer. I know what I'm doing. Now, if we ask it to fix it, can you fix this code? I think it's saying new multi-thread might actually be better. Because something Godot thread? No. I'm thinking it's gonna solve the same issue though, but whatever. Fuck. It's definitely not. So it was definitely just a multi-thread. And they're ping-ponging right now. Oh my god, they're ping-ponging. Okay, so we're ping-ponging. That's cool, we're pogging. I'd like to rename some stuff though. So, for one, what's our rename thing called? Rename symbol, sure. F2, I want to call this sync sender. And then sync sender. Alright, cool. And then this is the sync sender. Sync receiver. And that means this is the async receiver. And then this is the async sender. Cool. And all this runtime does is it receives a message and responds, and then all we're doing here is what even starts the chain? Like in theory this is gonna loop, right? But what even starts the chain? I guess the way to figure out is to go to the top. No. Here's the deal. Obviously, I just hit play again, and then I Alt F4 immediately, and then I scroll up. Got nothing, sending ping. Oh, okay. So we got nothing. So, wait, can we just like not do that? Got nothing. Who the fuck said nothing? Oh, right here. So it's got nothing sending. No, let's do this differently. Let's put the entire match statement here. Okay, if it's empty, instead of, let's just like continue. Let's just return. I don't actually want to do this infinite loop bullshit. Here's what we want to do. We're gonna send messages to the async. It's gonna respond back, and then we're gonna be deja vu. However you say fine and good in Japanese. So that means when we receive, we're done. Yeah, I'm just. So then now if you run it, it shouldn't do anything really. Amazing, it did like nothing. Just what we expect. Here's what we should do now. We should make it. Well, first let me be right back. Can I mute? Actually, mute. Shit. Let's see what's the. Hold on. Be right back. Alright. It's back to the grind. Not the grinder though. You know, I just want to listen to my normal music, but I also don't want YouTube to obliterate me, so that's what really sucks. So now what we want to do is we want to run our task, right? I guess what we should do is we're going to actually do our thingies and no. So I want to declare an async sender, or I want to pass an async sender into our good old buddy functions. Jesus. So this accepts an async sender, which is a sender. It's async. We want the Tokyo sender. Jesus, there's so many. Oh my god, there's so many. Is the Tokyo sync sender? Let's go back to it. Gotta get that right. We gotta communicate through channels. And then this also, the future maker should also accept that, and then we do async sender clone. I think you could do that. I think that's how you do it. Cool. And then we go into lib. Wait, no, we're not done with async test. Instead of printing, we're gonna do async sender send. We did a work for duration. Is that gonna be formatted, or do we need to do format? Motherfuckers, format. And we build, find it's our thing, we're all good. So then what we want to do, instead of doing this, well, I guess we could still do this, but I want to do something once, that's the real problem. Here's what we can do. If I receive if message equals start, and then I don't know, else do the other thing, right? So if message is start, then we're gonna do async boy jeez, what is it called? Async boy future maker, and then we're gonna do async sender clone. And then we qualify the async boy. So now we need to receive start So then we're going to add a new key to our wonderful land project settings. It's funny because we're only testing stuff right now. I guess not. I guess I could do jump. But let's actually add we'll add a new one called S, and then guess what its key's gonna take? Guess. It's gonna take S. Crazy. And then we copy a really complicated code for input from our camera. I don't actually remember how to do anything. I just copy and paste my old code over and over, and then I get to where I am now. It's a different type of talent, I'll tell you that. Let's do F and process. Wait. I swear there's process. Cell delta F64. Sure, seems to work. We don't need this. When action S is pressed, we are going to take our sender, and then we're gonna do sender dot send. Well, we can do it like this. Try send start dot into. Okay. Now, if we run our Godot project and press S. Oh fuck! I forgot S is already a key. That was the worst key I could have chosen. Let's. Goddamn. Project settings, instead of S, we're gonna rename this. This is gonna be G. And guess what key it's gonna do? G. And then when we receive G, we're gonna do start. Where is my console? Yeah, the action. G. Amazing, it doesn't work. Oh, why is input action? Why did I not cargo build? Why do I have skill issues? Why do I have issues? You know what we should do? We should print something. Print line sending start. Cargo build. I do need to figure out how to do breakpoints and shit in this, eventually. G. Well, we sent start like 4 times, so. Apologies, just pressed. Now we actually need to make sure we received start. So, okay, the async code received start. So now, oh, I need to do dot, oh wait. The future maker should do things. Build. Now, if we do play, and then I press G, received, sending start, receive start. So, it's receiving it, it's just our future maker isn't not doing its job. I don't really know why. Here's what we can do. We will go back to our ChatGPT code from before, because that's what everything's inspired from. ChatGPT is not ChatGPT, it is Gemini. So this we stole from this. So it says I need to join all. Oh wait, that makes sense. Join all. No join all. Is it join all exclamation mark? Wouldn't it need to be like join? Yeah, it should be like that. Yeah, that's what I get for using AI. It doesn't look good stuff. Shit. Is it like just join? You know what I can do? I could just go to Tokyo join all. I don't need to like Tokyo join all. There's a join set? Oh my god. Let's do that. That looks cool. Fuck. It's the wrong key. This 12. Cool, let's do that. Join set. What if you get me? join set. Yeah. I don't know which. I think I can just do this. I think that's a function pointer. That. So now if I go back to lib, is it join all now like that? All. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, then I do. While let sum equals. Well, first, no. Let join set. Let mute join set equals boom. And then let sum equals join set. Join next. Oh wait, very interesting. And then res, whatever the fuck res is. Do I even need to do anything else here? What is this? No, I want join set, please. That's fine. Expected found future. Expected due to this calling async function returning a future. Shit. You know, I think it's because this shouldn't be async. That's the problem. Now, like cargo build, I don't think we need to do anything. Now, if I run our Godot code, everything should work. Oh my god, now things are working less than before. Whoa. Oh wait, I need to actually... It's like, why is it not working? Because I have to press a key to make it work. Receive, sending start, receive start, nothing. Shame. Maybe I do. Maybe I do have to consume. Let out equals res. What the fuck is... I don't actually know why I can't use question mark. Am I just not cool enough for question mark? It's probably some it's probably some like library that I need to be involved in. G. Scammed. You know, we are definitely getting somewhere, I think. I'll tell you that. I just doing this wrong? If I do this, this is not gonna work, right? No. So I just need to not use clone and instead do reference. Whoa. Because it could still be working. It's just the send is not occurring, which I could debug for it, but let's just do it the hard way. And instead do it on pass this by reference. And then pass this by reference. Oh my god, then you have to worry about lifetimes. Lifetimes give me AIDS. I mean, it makes sense that it needs to worry about lifetimes, right? It just gives me depression. Here's what we do instead of doing that. We're going to print instead. Let's see if that works. Fuck. The more you swear on your... The more you swear, the better your code is. Oh, this needs to be not async. It's true. Yeah, this needs to be clone. And oh, so it does work if we want. If for some reason I was watching, we'll see that we send start, receive start, and we got 5 fucks. The problem is that when I clone the channels, it's not sending it, or maybe it is sending it, and I'm just not receiving it. That's the other. So either it's sending and not receiving, or so it should. What should occur on the receive empty, or receive something, is it should say got, but it never does. And that's what's kind of triggering me. Because ideally, right, we want to send something to the async workers, and then they're going to send us back. And then we're good. That's what we want. This is all kind of a pain though, because using all these channels, that means if we want to do AI and we want to wait. No. What you would do then is, I believe you would send. I just want to give to the Tokyo runtime some workers, you know? Like, what is this bullshit? I just want to give it work to do. Instead I have to treat it like multi-threading, which it is, but like, come on. What I want to do is I want to send it a task hey, go figure out, go look at all my chunks and do your algorithm, and then we want to go back, get the data. I make it sound like it's so simple. So, regardless, Future Maker has gave us plenty of fucks. Like documentation. I guess I'll ask Gemini. I am using Swamp. And no, we gotta talk to Gemini on the stream. For sending information to async and then back to sync. When I clone a sender, will all receivers still receive from that sender? I say this because I have 5 timers that send a message at the end of their time, but the async sender is not working. I think I need to wait it is the problem, because I'm sending it and then it's dropping it. That might be what's wrong. So then if I do that, die. Oh, nothing's working then. Fuck. No, I have the wrong console closed. Where's my actual console? God damn it. Tab. Oh no, I closed the correct one. I just have so much fun keeping windows open, I don't know. Okay. No. We're winning now. Jeez. Fuck. There we go. So now it's working. So the problem is that the send was being sent, but we weren't waiting for it. So now we can do work asynchronously. It's just questionable. What I want to be able to do is I want to send an async task, which in this case would be our AI code, right? the AI code interacting with our world, and then it's going to respond back the result. That is the goal. Now the question is, if we send... yeah, there'll be a lot of problems with this. Because somehow, the world isn't a simple object. The world is an entire, like, huge amount of chunks, right? There needs to be like a central authority for worlds. So like we have a universe, right? A universe holds many worlds. And a world is a 3D space of voxels, but there may be multiple of them in the universe. When we do pathfinding, we want to know information about the current world we're in. And we'll have some goal, like, oh, we want to get this specific ID. Or like pathfind, or maybe we already have a position in mind and we want to go there, right? So I would assume how the AI would work is we're gonna have, first we're gonna sense our area, right? We're gonna use our senses, eyes, maybe it's a raycast. Once we've sensed, we're then going to feed the wonderful A star the path we want to take. And then we're going to walk that path. And maybe we'll update that path every, like, I don't know, 3 seconds? Hopefully not too much. And hopefully not all at once. But the operations we're gonna do, yeah, we'll have to figure it out. But I have done an async. I have won the game. I have done async. I guess if I want my code to be a bit different is rather than this is a future, right? Future maker. So rather than sending a message, like sync sender, maybe instead we want to send is a join set. So join set, boom. And then on receive set, we receive start calm day in the city of July. So then we can just say, what is this song though? We'll send set. There we go. And then for our actual sender, sync sender, we want to do sync sender join set. Why is this bugged? Why are we panicking? Oh, that's because we need to do that. There we go. So we have join set. And then instead of sending start, Well, we fucking deleted our code early. Copy it. We're gonna send the async boy. We need async sender. No, we don't. What do we need for this? Is it a... Now the problem is we don't have async center. Now, how do we pass functions? Pass functions as variables for us. Because what we need... So can I just pass a function that returns a function fn that takes a sender string? This is a mess. Jesus, what is this? Beast of a thing. And then async sender.com. Why is this not working? Interesting. Call. Oh, I fucked up. I need to do... And now... we can delete this. We don't care about this shit anymore. And now instead of this, I believe what I can do is just this. Can I do this? Ooh. Holy shit, it's compiling. That means the chances of this working is high, because that's how Rust works. And then now we press G. Oh yeah. So here's what we did. Now, rather than sending a message, we can now send any asynchronous... We can send a list of jobs, and then what we expect from the jobs is a string of some sort. Now I don't know if, what I want to do is a list of jobs. What we could do instead is just send futures instead of a list of futures. That's probably better. But this is good enough. It's just a demo of how to do async, at least. One way. And we can check if we can send something back. But we're not going to. We're going to delete all of this. now I think we can cargo builder. Cargo build and then push this. Oh yeah. Sure. Did the thing Tokyo seems to be functional in this context? The future is bright? Question mark? I don't know if the future is bright. The future is certainly something though. Now this is kind of like I made a core routine. That's what it really seems like I just did. Kind of. The only problem is this is cool and all, but the only function I can handle is if the input is sender string. It can't handle anything else. Now I don't know if there's a way in Rust to handle. Oh, we have multiple inputs, but even then, like, let's say if it had more inputs, how would this even handle that? It doesn't know. Because yeah, so let's imagine we're using this, right? We want to send, hey, AI, scan a radius of 5, right? And then give us the responding value, which, again, this doesn't exactly help us with that. They wouldn't be able to do it. Because we need to give the value 5, and then we're going to expect... I don't know what we're going to expect back. I'm assuming we're going to expect some arbitrary struct. That's going to be our problem. I mean, I guess the real issue is that we're dealing with an API, and that kind of does make things more complicated than it needs to be. But whatever. Whatever. I'm going to inform the people. You know, I think we're done with streaming though. Nothing happened. I am alone. I will need to improve this later. Yeah, we'll need to do additional work to make sure the stream is properly set up. Like, I don't know, maybe we should have a little chat. Maybe we should, like, have a server so we can notify people. Crazy stuff. I don't know how good the discoverability on YouTube is, but I'm assuming what I need to do is actually create videos first. So that's another thing I'm gonna have to look into.